Andiamo corriendo a Sicilia, mi hanno mettiliamo fino a morire. Ambra susine mi noi caliani, aliene monia feli l'amore.
Do you recognize the fragrance that's surrounding me? I have seen my Father's grace, and I have danced to His melody, yeah, 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 yeah. I bowed down and I touched His feet. Oh, can't you see Him all around me, yeah, 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 yeah. Oh, the fragrance of heaven all around me, yeah, 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 yeah. Heaven has come. I have seen what generations yearn to see. I have seen the Master's heart for me. I have seen His countenance, and I've danced to His melody, yeah, 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 yeah. Heaven is all over me, all over me, yeah.
Traveling and walking in the light by illumination of the Father, I'm alive and moving to the rhythm of His heart. I feel resurrection in the healing of my heart, and deeply in connection with the presence. It's a fragrance that I'm oozing by His essence. Meditation on the word, my revelation. So I leave from an eternal point of reference, in tune with the Christ morning, noon, and the night.